Alright, it's Thursday the 28th. As you know, last night I was up till midnight producing two videos to post online. Then I had to be up at 4:30 to be at work. So this is my typical routine. I stayed up late. Now I'm beat. Now it's 3 in the afternoon and it's nap time. So, man, this is like the cycle of my life. Now I'll take a nap, I'll get up late, and then I won't go to bed till late, and then I'll be in the same routine. This cannot be Sam's. This place is empty. Well, quick run here for dog food and cat food. Alright. That pickup truck there and that Mustang there are not my neighbors, but they're here almost constantly. So am I the only one that finds it a little disturbing that a 20-year-old boy still has sleepovers with his guy friends? Just asking the question. He's in college, graduated high school, and he still has his friends sleep over at 20. To me, I was more in the girls. It's me. Alright, another peanut butter and jelly, don't tell the girlfriend. So, as I stated earlier before I went to Sam's, I took a nap. Girlfriend sent me a text around 4. I didn't answer until 7. So the first thing she asked me is there something you need to tell me? I'm like, what are you talking about? She goes, are you seeing anybody? She goes, I sent you the message. So there we go. Oh my God. Anyway, yeah, so that's what happens when you take a nap and then you don't answer your girlfriend's text. They think you're somewhere else. But she called me on the phone and there's something she wants to do this weekend. And I don't care whether she likes it or not. It's going in the vlog. So stay tuned. Ah, there it is. That's what I've been waiting on. Alright, so I'm going to share with you my new radar detector. It's a Uniden R1. I know I'm going to try to keep this video short, but kind of excited about this. This was my old radar detector. It's a Cobra. And you know, it's been a good radar detector. I did get a ticket a couple years back. State trooper coming right at me, and the damn thing never went off. And I don't know. I thought about replacing it at that point. Kind of got pissed off, but I never did. And you know, growing up, I always saw the Valentine V1 ads, and I always told myself I was gonna get one because it was like always the best radar detector. But I know Passport's always made some pretty good ones. But I started looking, and I was looking at a Valentine, and the Uniden R1 and R3 were actually the best rated by a lot of people. The difference between this one and the R1, it's about $100 cheaper. The R3 has a GPS chip, so you can actually lock out. You know, if you got a place that keeps triggering, you can lock it out. It also gives you like red light camera updates and something else, and I really didn't need it for the extra $100, so the R1 was fine. So yeah, sorry, it comes in a pretty good case. You got a bag here, some straps. Comes with two mounts. You got a suction cup mount, a big one, and then you got your standard two suction cup mount. So it comes with two mounts and a power cord, which is unique. Wow, look at that. It's like a phone cord type deal. So I guess that'll help it from popping out. But it's kind of cool that right here on the power thing, it's also a USB and you've got a mute button. So anyways, you know, I never thought this thing was that bad. It gave me some pretty good alerts in the past, but reading things pretty much just said Cobras are about the worst ones on the market. And I don't know. I mean, I've gotten some pretty good readings, but like they said, anything will give you a good reading on a straight ahead. But I mean, I did get let down with that state trooper came right at me. So yeah, man, now I'm excited. I got a brand new radar detector. Said it's supposed to be the best thing out there, so I got to head out to the girlfriend's for a long weekend. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw an update on this. Oh, actually, while I was at it, the reason I was actually looking for a new radar detector is, you know, a lot of cars now have that blind zone alert and like collision avoidance systems. Makes this thing about useless, especially when I get near her house and I'm more in a town. This thing will not stop going off. It's just like non-stop, and it's basically worthless because it triggers on everything. So the newer radar detectors filter out those K-band signals from lane collision and all that stuff. So the reason I was in the market for one. So yeah, pretty cool. Well, went to Zales and it's official.
Oh, stop it.
We have a ringside for this little one right there. Right there. What? You gotta say hi to everybody.
Hi.
I told you she was beautiful. You guys didn't believe me she existed, but she does. But I did get a pair of shoes out of it, so it's a good day. Ring size and shoes.
Okay. Let's go.
Where we going?
Home.
January 2nd, 2018. Time to wrap up this vlog. Car of the weekend here was the beautiful 2015 Chevy SS. Absolutely love this car. I could never get tired. I mean, if I had to pick one car to keep out of any of them, it'd probably be this. I could definitely live with this as a daily drive. But anyhow, hey, got the girlfriend in the video. So glad, because this is going to open up a whole lot more in the way of opportunities for me to film. And, you know, still working on what all to do with this channel. So, but I do know, I did want to say right now, I hope you guys appreciate, you know, this is a fairly new relationship for me. We're still growing. I'm very excited to see her on the weekends. And I'm not really doing stuff that I want to for the channel because I only had that time with her. So hopefully there'll be some moving. Maybe, you know, we'll be together more. And then, you know, if I'm with her every day, then that'll definitely open up more possibilities for getting out and doing more videos and that. But right now, the weekends are very precious for me. It's when I get to see her, so I hope you all understand that. But anyhow, yeah, got her on the video, man. She's beautiful, isn't she? Man, I mean, I'm a lucky guy to have two beautiful women in my life. You know, it's been a tragic 2017 losing my wife, but then kind of ending on a high note, starting out with another amazing woman. I mean, man, I'm like beyond blessed to find two great women in a whole lifetime. Most people can never say that. So anyhow, gonna do a whole video on how 2017 went and discuss, you know, some other stuff, plans for the channel there. I just need to wrap this up. Great weekend, man. We did seriously look at some rings, so who knows, man? Maybe a proposal that's coming this year. Maybe a wedding in the future. You know, you just have to subscribe and find out. You know, definitely think there's going to be a move. Definitely see me getting this house ready to put on the market. And but then that also leaves the question: what am I going to do with the cars? Am I going to find a place I can keep 6 cars? Am I going to have to get rid of some? Work something out? I don't know. So I don't even know where life's going. So everything's up in the air for me right now. So, you know, like I said, subscribe and we'll find out together what all's going to happen. Anyways, broke the new year with just over 400 subscribers, and I can't believe it. Thank you. I can't thank everybody enough for the subscriptions. It means the world to me. It means a lot, because, you know, just sharing your life and everything like that, you kind of want to see something for the work that you put in. I know I get a lot more on like how-to videos and anything related to the cars, so I try to incorporate cars into the vlog, so that way there's stuff in there. But like I said, still working on the channel configurate, really what I'm gonna do, because life really threw me some wrenches this year as to what to do. So definitely appreciate it, man. I cannot believe I broke 400. So hopefully this year I'll break 1,000, be on that way up there to be the next big YouTuber. Man, that would be friggin' awesome. So anyhow, let me end it there. Ramble on way too long. Please subscribe to the channel, means a lot. Like, shares, comments, always appreciated. And look out for my 2017 video. I'll leave you with the sweet sound of the SS.